I'm just coming by to give you a quick unboxing of what my kids got me for my birthday. My birthday was November 10th. It's not actually an unboxing because I've already been in it. However, I wanted to show y'all what they got me because I love the color purple. And I needed a laptop bag, right? I was scrolling online and I saw this bag that was beautiful. It's beautiful leather purple bag. And who knows me? If you know me, you know that my favorite color is purple. I love the color purple and of all shades. And when I saw this bag, I was like, oh yeah, this is fixing to be mine. And guys, it is genuine leather. Genuine leather. Okay? It's beautiful and it feels so good. The inside is suede. All right. I think there's a discount code on the website, sassyjones.com. I do believe sassyjones.com. And there's a discount code on the website. And it is $179.99. Okay. I think it's well worth it. All right. I wasn't expecting the kids to get it for me. I just happened to show them the bag, and my son took it upon himself to go ahead and order it when I told him not to, but I'm so glad that he did because I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the bag, okay? Like I said, I've already been in the bag. I've already been in the box. My information. So I'll show you what it looks like. I saw it online on Facebook. I don't know how they knew that I needed a bag, but they knew. And so comes very well packaged. Very well packaged. In this nice bag. Inside the bag is another bag. Sassy Jones. Sassy Jones. And on our website, they have all kinds of bags and accessories that you would love. So I suggest you go to their website and grab you something. This is not sponsored nothing. I don't have no followers, so ain't nobody sponsored me. But I just wanted to show y'all this bag. Okay, it's a laptop bag. Okay, so it's a laptop bag, y'all. Can y'all see this? Do y'all see? Let me show you. Got the little SJ for Sassy Jones. It is like a 3-in-1. So it's a laptop bag. You can use it as a clutch, right? Put your hand in it and use it as a clutch. And then it has, you can carry it like this, or it has a strap. Let's see what the strap is. I think I took the strap out. Let me see if I can't find it. Strap, and it comes actually inside the bag. I'm not gonna open it, but it's got some nice hardware. It's purple just like the bag is. So when you open it, it has a little clasp, and inside there's a big space. I can't move over so you can see it. There's a big space for you to put your laptop in, right? And then it has a zipper part right here. Zipper part, and then it has like another compartment right there. It's very roomy. It's very roomy. It definitely fit, of course, your laptop or your iPad, and you know, a few other things in there. You can carry it as a bag, like a purse. It has like the hardware, it's all covered in plastic. Do you see how fabulous this bag is, y'all? I don't think y'all understand the fabulosity. The fabulosity of the bag. Okay. Get into it. All right. So if y'all are a fan, also in these colors, they have this grape. It's called grape. They have a neon yellow. I want to say they have a green and they have a pink. The pink is bomb, okay? The pink is bomb, but purple's my favorite. It's called grape. So if y'all want one of these, baby, go get you one, okay? All right. Bye-bye now.